In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create forms in HubSpot step by step. Whether you want to capture leads, grow your email list, register people for events, or qualify prospects automatically, HubSpot forms make it incredibly easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build, customize, preview, and publish a fully functional form inside HubSpot. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future HubSpot tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Forms. This will take you directly to the Forms tool where all of your existing forms are stored. If you've never created one before, this page will be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, click the Create Form button in the top right corner. HubSpot will now ask you to choose the type of form you want to create. You'll see several options. The embedded form is perfect if you want to place the form directly on your website. The standalone page form allows HubSpot to host the form on its own page. You also have engagement options like a pop-up box, a drop-down banner, or a slide-in form that appears from the left or right side of the screen. Choose the option that best fits your goal. For most websites, embedded form is the most common choice. After selecting your form type, click Next. Now you'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. HubSpot provides several ready-made templates such as a contact form, newsletter sign-up, event registration, and lead qualification form. These templates save time because they already include commonly used fields. If you prefer full control, you can choose the blank template and build everything yourself. Select the template that matches your objective and click Start. Now comes the customization stage. This is where you design your form. HubSpot uses a simple drag-and-drop builder. On the left side, you'll see all available form fields. To add a field, simply drag it into your form preview. Common fields include first name, last name, email, phone number, message or comments, company, and industry. You can click on any field to edit its label, make it required, or add placeholder text. If you need information that isn't listed, you can create custom fields. This is especially useful if you want to capture specific details unique to your business, like budget range, service interest, or project timeline. Custom fields automatically connect to your HubSpot CRM, which means every submission becomes a contact record with organized data. You can also adjust form settings, such as what happens after someone submits the form. For example, you can display a thank you message or redirect users to a specific landing page. This is great for delivering lead magnets, confirmation pages, or scheduling links. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview to see how your form will look on desktop and mobile devices. Always test your form to make sure everything looks clean and works correctly. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner. If you chose an embedded form, HubSpot will generate an embed code that you can copy and paste into your website's HTML. If you selected a standalone or pop-up option, you can configure where and when the form appears. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in HubSpot. It's a simple process, but incredibly powerful for lead generation and marketing automation. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.